Today we are covering Microsoft Information Protection Administrator SC-400. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Question is, you have a sensitive information type based on a trainable classifier. You are unsatisfied with the result of trainable classifier. You need to retain the classifier. What should you use in the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center? Option A. Labels from the Information Protection. Option B. Labels from Information Governance. Option C. Content Explorer from Data Classification. Option D. Content Search. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, you need to alerted when users share sensitive documents from Microsoft OneDrive to any users outside of your company. What should you do? Option A. From the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center, create a data loss prevention DLP policy. Option B. From the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center, start a data investigation. Option C. From the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center, create an insider risk policy. Option D. From the Azure portal, create an Azure Information Protection policy. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, you need to protect documents that contain credit card numbers from being opened by users outside your company. The solution must ensure that users at your company can open the documents. What should you use? Option A sensitivity level policy. Option B, a sensitivity level label. Option C, a retention policy. Option D, a data loss prevention DLP policy. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, you have a Microsoft 365 tenant that contains a Microsoft SharePoint online site named Site 1. You have the users shown in the following table. You create a data loss prevention DLP policy for Site 1 that detects credit card number information. You configure the policy to use the following protection action. When content matches the policy conditions, show policy tips to users and send them an email notification. You use the default notification settings. To Site 1, user 1 uploads a file that contains a credit card number, which users receive an email notification. Option A. User 1 and user 2 only. Option B. User 1 and user 2 only. Option C. User 1, user 2, user 3 and user 4. Option D. User 1 only. Option E. User 1 and user 3 only. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, you have a data loss prevention DLP policy that applies to the device's location. The policy protects documents that contain United States passport numbers. Users report that they cannot upload documents to a travel management website because of the policy. You need to ensure that the users can upload the documents to the travel management website. The solution must prevent the protected content from being uploaded to other locations. Which Microsoft 365 Endpoint Data Loss Prevention Endpoint DLP settings should you configure? Option A. Unallowed browsers. Option B. File path exclusions. Option C. Unallowed apps. Option D. Service domains. Correct answer is option D. You can control whether sensitive files protected by your policies can be uploaded to specific service domains from Microsoft Edge. If the list mode is set to block, then user will not be able to upload sensitive items to those domains. When an upload action is blocked because an item matches a DLP policy, DLP will either generate a warning or block the upload of the sensitive item. If the list mode is set to allow, then users will be able to upload sensitive items only to those domains, and upload access to all other domains is not allowed.